Insert the plain end PVC pipe into the mechanical joint bell according to the manufacturer's instructions. Insert one of the extra long T-bolts through one of the bolt holes. Mark a reference line on the pipe about 2 inches from the end of the bolt. Assemble the MJ gland, gasket, and bolts to AWWA standards. Install all of the T-bolts. Tighten the nuts against the MJ gland to AWWA standards. Assemble the PWM clamping ring on the pipe at the reference line. Line up the ears with the corresponding MJ bolt holes. Tighten the side clamping bolts to the recommended torque, pad to pad. Be sure the protrusions on the restrainer ears face the fitting to ensure proper direction of the angled serrations. Snug the retaining nuts behind the restrainer ears against the flat surface. Use one turn of the wrench. Do not over-tighten.